The history of antimatter begins in 1928 when Paul Dirac wrote an equation that implied the existence of antiparticles, the building blocks of antimatter. The scientific community was astonished until the first proof of their existence in 1932, when Carl Anderson observed the track of an anti-electron that he called positron. It wasn't until after the invention of particle accelerators 22 years later that the antiproton was observed by a team of physicists led by Emilio Segre and Owen Chamberlain at the Bevatron in Berkeley. Working with them was Tom Ypsilantis, then a young postdoctoral student.
We selected out the slow particles. We were able to measure their momentum and their velocity, and we were able to measure the mass. And so we found the mass exactly of the proton, but it was negatively charged, so it had all the properties of an antiparticle. I mean, for me, it was just one more example of the fact that we can understand nature